Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a cooler you can take with you anywhere and will actually keep your items cold, check this one out from RANDUN. Now this size is the 30 can cooler, perfect size for a day at the beach. We love to load this full of drinks and snacks and take it with us. It is waterproof, which means it will keep water out, but it will also keep water in. So if your ice starts to melt, you have wet things, it's not going to end up all over the back of your car. I love the material of this. It's a really cool texture, which makes it extremely wipeable and it doesn't get dirty easily. This is a soft cooler, so when it's not in use, it's collapsible. So that saves you a ton of space for storage. I love all the straps on it. The long one is removable, so it's optional. It even comes with a bottle opener. If you load this with ice, it's gonna keep your stuff very cold. The ice melts slowly. It's awesome for retaining the cold. It's been an ideal size for us. We take this on all of our day trips. So if you're in the market for a cooler, I do recommend this one, and that's my point of view.